The next exercise we have is a band pull apart. And what we need to do with this is we're trying to extend our shoulders back behind our body this way. Because when you're sitting down at a desk all day on a plane or in the office, okay, your hands are always in front of the body and we have no stiffness or tightness or rigidity in the posterior side of our body. So the band pull apart is a really low-hanging fruit exercise that enables you to get some real tension onto the muscles in the back side of your shoulder and through your spine, up and down the spinal erectors, which are the muscles that run up and down your body here, okay, to give your shoulders and spine some stability. So all we do is take elastic band of some sort. The further you hold it out onto this, okay, the easier it is. The closer in it is, the more difficult it is because it gets a little bit tighter. So for this demonstration, I'm going to hold it right up to the end here of this. Okay, have your arms straight. And all I want you to do, okay, is now pull the band apart into your chest and then control it, come back out, and don't let that tension go off the band here. So come all the way in, all the way out as far as you can and in there. So this can be done for high repetition every time that you do it. And you may need one set or 2 sets in this, okay, as far as you can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin around so you can have a look from the back. So our arms are not bending and straightening this way. We're trying to straighten our arms and pull our shoulder blades and our elbows back and let them go forward. Pull them back from here. So how I would do this, if I would, is I'd do it with a little bit of speed here, not letting the tension go off the muscles from the side, trying to pull in this way. As I'm talking to you now, this is starting to burn big time. Right, so excuse me for my facial expressions here, but I want you to pull this in and back again. Don't let the tension go off. Pull it in there. Okay, band pull apart. It's a fantastic exercise. Very easy. You can have this in your desk, or you can have this anywhere on a plane if you're traveling, and you just work through high repetition ranges, 1 or 2 sets every day, and it will really build up the posterior head of your shoulders, the rhomboids, muscles through your spine and the back of your neck, okay, and will help to provide some stability to your shoulders and some tension in your shoulders, which we just don't get when we're sitting down all day. So that's the band pull apart.